Hey everyone, we are here live making lunch. Koen requested, what did you request?
Making a salad.
Koen wanted a salad, so that's what we're making. And speaking of salads, that is actually one of the things that I cover in the vegan health bundle that is available now through March 10th. If you're watching this video after March 10th, you will not be able to get it, but the vegan health bundle is a huge resource of ebooks and courses and recipes to help you on your way to better living. And it is about $6,000 worth of content for only 49 bucks. It's available right now at the link in my bio, but let's get started with the salad and I'll tell you a little bit more about the bundle. So Koen, as I'm chopping our romaine, we're using romaine today.
I chop too.
Well, you can just watch me chop today. Let's talk about the ingredients. What are, what's one of your favorite ingredients in salad that we have out already?
I would say the greens.
Oh, the greens. Okay, so the greens are your favorite part? Okay. Well, what else do you see that you really, really love that's out here? Oh, you're gonna help me chop?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta keep your fingers tucked, and that's kind of a dull knife. So, I really, really love romaine lettuce in salads, but on our farm we grow tons of different greens, and it's really a very good idea to get a lot of different varieties of greens. So you also want to look. You gotta get all the way down to the cutting board, buddy. You're making like Hasselback. You're making Hasselback lettuce. The thing that you want to do is try to focus on getting a really good variety of greens, because that's going to be different types of nutrients for your gut microbiome, for your brain, for your overall health, longevity, your energy, and ideally, if you can, you want to get a cruciferous in, like a shredded cabbage or arugula is even considered a cruciferous vegetable. I'm going to eat this piece. I just love romaine though. And for somebody who can sometimes have a sensitive gut like myself, I like the tenderness of romaine. So we're chopping this up finely. And one of the things that Koen really does love in his salad. You're gonna do, okay, finish that one. You gotta get it chopped up really well, really well. Is mango. And so we like to add fruit to our salad. Now, tomato is technically a fruit. Slow down. Slow your roll. Slow your roll. Make sure that you chop this too, like that. Yeah. Now we're adding mango because mango is good in salads. It's actually delicious.
Yep.
I'm gonna crunch on this. And I just took a whole bag of frozen diced mango and ran it under warm water to thaw it. So I'm gonna get messy here and chop this up.
No comments right
No
now.
comments. Yeah, if you have any comments or questions for Koen, let us know. We're making a healthy, yummy, plant-based salad that has good nutrient density and calorie density. And I talk a little bit more about like calorie density in my course called the High Raw Revival that is in the bundle. I talk about, basics of making your salads and smoothies higher caloric density and lower caloric density. Like for a growing child, he's gonna need the higher caloric density foods, right?
Do I have to cut these?
Nope. So do you want to talk about what that is? What is that?
This is green onion.
Yeah, so that is green onion, also known as scallions. And getting a raw scallion or a raw allium, like something in the allium family, like leeks or onions or...
Can I do this?
Hold on. We got to talk about the ingredients. Onions, leeks, scallions, chives. That is going to be really good for cancer prevention. I'm just popping this mango in there.
This is my favorite salad.
This is actually not exactly the same thing that we make all the time, but you really just like it when we combine romaine with mango. It just makes a really good salad. Typically, I'll give him a lot of avocado with it.
Can't forget the vinegar.
I already got the vinegar out, buddy. Okay, so what we do to make our salads a lot more substantial is add like a protein or more of like a carbohydrate or starch. So you could add like tofu, you could add for more, if you needed more of a protein.
He's good at
He is so good in the kitchen, wow. Oh, thanks. Thanks so much. Koen really is good. Like, you're pretty good with food. Now, that's just because he's grown up around it. But, okay, so talk about what's in that can.
This is black beans.
And what is special about those beans, like on the label?
That they're organic,
Yes, and
natural.
they are no salt added. So, you know what? The best thing to do is just to make your own beans. Because first off, you can control how much they make you gassy by cooking them with like kombu. But this brand actually does that. This is the Westbury brand. The Eden brand also does that. And if you pressure cook your own beans, you can rinse, drain, and kind of control how, yes, control. But also, this is a good form of calories to add to your salads. This is just like more of a carbohydrate than it is a protein, but this has resistant starch in it. And that is gonna be really, really good for your beneficial bacteria in your gut. And we wanna really provide for that. These green onions that I chopped just a few days ago are going to be a good form of prebiotic fiber, which is gonna also feed the good gut bugs. And then we're also gonna throw in some of our home-grown sun-dried tomatoes from our farm. Okay, that was too many. For like a chewy component, okay? Now we need to be really mindful about our dressing. If you add a little bit of fat to your dressing, it's going to help you drastically absorb the I can't like speak today. It's going to drastically help you absorb the nutrients in the salad. So we're doing tahini, sesame seed, squeezable. The only ingredient is sesame seeds. And then we need an acid. So we're gonna do apple cider vinegar. We really also love lemon juice. Usually I'll use like for the fat avocado with the mango too. It is so good. And then we're gonna add some spice because spices and herbs are gonna also help diversify your gut microbiome. And you wanna aim for 30 to 40 different types of plants in your body every single week. So a salad and a smoothie is a really great way to do that. And spices are also a good way to diversify your gut microbiome. Now, this is something that we bought from St. Martin when we were on our cruise. And this is like chives and celery and cilantro and onion and lime and ginger. Heck yeah, and pepper and turmeric. So if you find that you are bored with salads or your salads don't have a lot of flavor, make sure you're getting that fat in the dressing. Make sure you're getting good acid in there, and that you add herbs and spices. Okay, so now we just need to stir it. You just use this wooden spoon. Now it looks like a lot of food, doesn't it? But that's actually the beauty of when you understand caloric density. You understand that you can actually eat more food as long as you're not eating lots of high caloric density food. And you know what? We actually have stretch receptors in our stomach, and it's really important to make sure we're getting the proper volume of food so that we are satiated and we feel full and satisfied versus just eating really, really tiny serving sizes, which is not gonna be a sustainable way to keep a healthy body weight. And it's also not going to be sustainable like if you have growing kiddos. You want to make sure that you have good volume to your food so they do get full. It's okay. We don't need a lot of comments. But if you want to have more tips and tricks on plant-based eating in a healthy way, make sure you grab the Vegan Health Bundle. It is only available through March 10th. It's at the link in my bio, and it is $49 for almost $6,000 worth of resources, recipes, content, inspiration, meditation, yoga, cooking courses, batch cooking, kids raw recipes, and raw gourmet desserts and cookies, and like so much more. So if you want to get a hold of your health and tackle it once and for all, make sure you grab the bundle. It's such an amazing resource. And in there, you're gonna find my new mini video course called the High Raw Revival that has a good combination of raw and cooked whole food plant-based recipes. And I also talk about getting out of the pleasure trap. So if you feel like you are currently addicted to processed food, restaurant food, sugar, this is something that I can help you tackle as a nutritionist and as somebody who has struggled with the pleasure trap before and gotten out of it and have stayed out of it because our lifestyle and the way that we cook. So I cover all of that. Yep.
And again, if you have any comments, you can put them in.
If you have any comments, last minute comments before we go, let us know. But this is going to be split amongst us. Koen's going to get a big bowl. I'm going to add some more avocado to his to make it a little higher in caloric density so that he has more energy, more calories as he grows. Let me know. Is the acid balance good? Really delicious? Okay. All right. Well, you guys have a good day. We'll see you soon.